Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use a single WhatsApp account on two different phones without relying on a web browser or WhatsApp web. This formal guide will walk you through the process. Before we start, ensure that you have both phones handy and you are logged into the WhatsApp account you want to use on both devices. Install WhatsApp on the second phone from Play Store. Open it and start creating an account. While creating account in second phone instead of entering number, click on three dots in the upper right corner and tap on Link to Existing Account. Now, open WhatsApp in primary phone, click on three dots in upper right corner and tap on Linked Devices. Scan the QR code displayed on the second phone screen using the primary phone. This will establish a connection between the two devices, allowing the second phone to mirror the first. With this setup, you can now use WhatsApp on both phones. Messages will be synchronized between them in real time. You'll receive notifications on both devices, and any actions taken on one will be reflected on the other. Using a single WhatsApp account on two phones without a web browser is possible through WhatsApp's native feature. Keep in mind that while you can use WhatsApp simultaneously on two phones, it's important to maintain security and privacy on both devices. This method is convenient for those who want to stay connected across multiple devices. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content.